Guys, I'm trying to introduce you to my new dog. Wait, yes, come here. Wait, yes. Guys, I'm never gonna live that down. Wait, 1 second. Yes, good girl. Hi, baby. Okay, she's a little crazy, but meet Bella. Hi. Ah! Hey. Bella, no biting. No biting. She's still biting my face. Wait, no. You can't go there, Bella. She's biting me. Ah! Bella, no bite. No. No biting. No biting. Oh, shit. Fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh my god, I'm being molested. Bella, stop it. No. Okay, listen, I'm a cat person. My mom got this dog, but I deeply love her. Wait, no biting. Good girl. No biting. Come say hi to the icons. Bella, you're famous. She's like a Maltese terrier. Wait, no, don't drink my water. I don't know how to do this. Wait, no, baby, no! Oh, y'all see the new tat? Cute, right? Wait, oh goodness. No biting. No biting. No biting. Good girl. Okay, calm down. Calm down. I do not know how to have a dog. Cats are just very, like, you know what I mean. Okay, anyways. Bella doesn't want to meet you guys. Sorry. Anyways, let's talk about Lollapalooza. Wait, no, don't eat the pen. Bella, no. Oh, goodness. I'm stressed. Wait, okay, she's sitting. Why are you eating the pen? Oh, why are you eating the... Oh. Y'all heard that? Wait, actually, like, what does one do when a dog is trying to eat a pen and then won't let me take it out of their hand? Oh, you're so cute. Oh. Wait, what does one do? No, the dog does not hate me. Bala doesn't hate me. She's just really excited. She actually really likes me. She won't leave my side. Okay, y'all want to talk about MIA. What do you want to talk about? What about it? I thought that we were really free. I felt unleashed. I don't know if you could tell, but I felt very unleashed. And I felt on top of the world, TBH. So yeah. Me and Mano, that little thing, yeah, that was decided at like 6 a.m. that day in the hotel. Sophia like walked in on us, like choreographing this. And she was like, she walked in and she just walked right out. She was like, past my paycheck. So, yeah. I had so much fun. And I'm really, really, really excited for Summer Sonic. We leave for Japan pretty soon, so I'm very, very, very excited. And the outfits are giving, so yeah. Okay, do you guys have any questions? No, my dog doesn't know who I am. I'm like, should I pull the do you know who I am? She doesn't give a fuck. What are you eating? Did you just eat something? What are you eating? Wait, what do I do? What is happening? Wait, no. What are you eating? Are you just like biting yourself? I'm not seeing any comments. Sorry, I'm being kind of like boring. Paula is stressing me out. So my mom got her very impulsively. She rescued her. She fell in love with her very compelling story. She was left like on she was like left in a park by her owner, which is so sad. She's like not even 1 year old, and they just like found her in a park, and then my mom rescued her. So yeah, this drink is just water and lemon. Okay, I can see your comments now. Oh my god, meeting twice was so nice. It was so nice. They were so cool. It happened so like I remember we were in the middle of an interview, and then mid-interview Sophia and Megan were like, because they like walked by us. They have so much aura, and they like walked by us, and Megan was like, did y'all see that? We like ended up meeting them like really quickly, and they were so sweet, and they were talking so much to Yoonchae, and they were saying that they like knew about us, which was so cool. They're icons, and like they all look so pretty, so hot. I loved it. Guys, the yes thing has gone so far. That happened so long ago. This happened a long time ago. It's gone very far. But I love it. Should we read some Wattpad stories? Haven't been on there in a minute. Oh, hey! You're back. You're back. Oh, you're back. Are you ready to chill the fuck out? Come here. Oh, she's sitting. Wait, she's sitting. Wait. Let me not expose my room. Wait, come here. Can you stop eating the pen? Stop eating the pen. Stop eating the pen. No. Wait. You need to stop eating this. Wait, my room is so like not childproof. Oh fuck. Wait. Wait, what the fuck? What the heck? Wait, what the fuck? Oh my god, Bala, you're leaving my room. Guys, hold on. You're gonna have to sit here for a second while I take her downstairs. I'm sorry. 1 second. I'll be back. Literally give me 1 second. Bala, you can't be in here. You're eating things. This isn't good. I'm here. I'm sorry. Hey guys.